Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on the Match.com application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Match.com application on your device, and once the application is opened up, from the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, once you are inside your profile page, tap on the settings option at the top right corner and you will find various settings within your profile. From this page, simply scroll down and tap on the Manage Account option underneath Help. Now, within this Manage Account page, you will find the option to edit your account name. So go ahead and tap on the Edit Name option, and now you will be allowed to edit your account name. First of all, verify your identity by entering your date of birth and then by typing in your password. After typing in both of these, fill up the CAPTCHA verification and then tap on the Go button. And now you will officially be allowed to change your name on your Match.com application account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.